Testing. Is this thing even working? Confound technology. This is Coroner John Hendricks, a recently graduated. I've been assigned to this precinct as current temporary coroner and possible other duties along later in the field. I guess I'm supposed to be keeping this log just in case people question anything. Yay! God help me. August 5th, 1975. Currently autopsying the death of Detective Roderick Phelps. Roderick Phelps was on the beat when he suddenly received a 9mm pistol to the back. No witnesses and of course, no weapon. Well, he was assigned to a case to deal with a supposed oil ring. Current suspects were a man named Bill, John, and Todd, the corporate backers for the supposed oil company that's been causing this problem. Or, well, trying to figure out who it is. Anyway, he never really got far in the case as far as we're aware, though he claims that he knows who did it. But he never told anyone. Figures. Anyway, Detective Phelps, being the nice guy he was, decided to leave one of his encryptions, I guess, as you want to call it. Just a series of numbers. 710-5508-34-5508-51-7718. We don't really know what on earth these align to. They're not credit card or anything like that. Well, I guess that means I have to sign off on this victim. Now. September 23rd, 1975. Most recent victim for analysis is a 25-year-old woman. Multiple lacerations across the body with a finishing blow to the throat. No signs of any fingerprints, and, well, no weapon, of course. Why do I get stuck with these damn cases? Anyway, current reports suggest that the killer was apprehended, the husband, actually. It's, according to stories, they phoned in to him about the supposed death of his wife, and they'd like him to go confirm on site. Well, he showed up, but he was arrested shortly afterward. Don't know if I want to call it pure coincidence or just pure stupidity on his end. Well, if anyone else can figure out how on earth he's regarded as responsible, it takes a better man than me. I'm just a coroner. December 4th, 1975. Current victim is a mid-60s male. Suffered blunt force trauma with the possibility of his asphyxiation from his own blood. Yeah. Anyway, the current suspect list consists of the mailman, the newspaper delivery, and possibly the milkman. Chris, what the hell is wrong with you at this place? The current suggestion suggests he may have died a few days ago. The evidence that left remaining, though, have been less than helpful. We have 2 bottles of warm milk, Monday's newspaper, a catalog, flyers, and a handful of unopened mail. Of course, I guess that means the mailman's off the hook if that's the case. He was doing his job then. No, not sure yet, though. Signing off. February 8th, 1976. I have been currently reassigned to, criminal interrogations. Well, documenting them anyway. And as of right now, we're dealing with a new murder of a man that was shot in the stomach. Current suspect was believed to be brown-haired, blue-eyed, and wearing a baggy Armani suit. Current suspect that fitted that bill was Sean Baker. He was at the scene of the crime that day, but he claimed to be innocent from doing it. His alibi claiming that he did see the actual murderer. His claim suggests that he watched him shoot the man from behind. And his description he gave was a red-haired, red-mustached man with a baggy Armani suit. Between you and me, something doesn't add up here. I don't know what. April 12th, 1976. I've been moved back to quarantine again. Damn it. Latest victim is a 21-year-old woman who decided that she wanted to go drinking with a friend. According to their receipts, they only shared one drink, meaning, well, they split it. I don't know how on earth she died because the report says that she was poisoned. I don't know. The beverage they ordered was a cold one, I guess. Maybe a little too cold. Hey guys. Well, I guess this is it. They kind of fired me for screwing up too many times on the recordings. Well, I guess that happens.